Chalo, I'll take you shopping now.
We have started the recording.
Okay, so good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Venus Club Diwali celebration online meeting. Today we are having games, fun, and laughter. So let's enjoy for the next 1.5 hour. Binduji is going to lead us with all the nice games. We have prizes for the participants. So please participate with full energy and enthusiasm. And as a tradition, before we start the Venus Club meeting, we always watch the AV of the Vande Matram, which is by our very own members. So let me just, go through that and then we can start. Can you give me screen sharing, please, Kamal?
Yes, done.
Okay.
There is no music.
So now we can start with the games. Binduji has taken a lot of pains. So let's participate.
Great. Chalo, wish you all the best and very, very warm welcome to each one of you here. Um, Happy Diwali, Happy New Year. This year has been a virtual Diwali with everybody being home, wishing each others. But there are three things that really we miss in Diwali or look forward to Diwali. और दिवाली का जैसे कहते हैं त्योहार मनाने के 15 दिन पहले और 15 दिन बाद वो समय रह जाता है. What are the three things? One is the मीठा, मिठाई. Second is the ताश. ताश लोगों को मजा आता है. 15 दिन पहले और 15 दिन बाद. And हंसी मजाक गाना बजाना. So on these three things, I have got you three games. One, we will start with what we can have. We can have a virtual mithai contest. Second, we can have is what you call as playing of cards. And third, we will do an antakshari. All in, all ready? Only request full participation. Give it your very best. You will really enjoy. When you're singing a song in Antakshari, make sure you sing the at least a full front line. Don't say it and don't say the song. Sing the song. मजा करके enjoy करके करे so that we can actually do this properly. Okay, I have Manish as a person who's going to take charge. Are you going to be the judge as well as our scorekeeper?
Yes.
No cheating.
Yeah. So,
no cheating.
So Bindu, if I be a scorekeeper, then I can't play the game, is it?
Yeah. Or one person, anybody, one person I need. I want the keeper to participate.
So we can have three scorekeepers for 3 games,
Yeah.
So everybody gets to play.
Yeah. See, in Antakshari, I'll be able to manage because there's time, no? So I don't have to look at the screen. Somebody, I think this is on.
Oh no, it's my alarm in the mobile. That's why I'll put myself on mute.
Please, okay.
So we have prizes also, guys.
Wow. Okay. One very, very important thing is instead of you saying the word, type the word. Because that will show proof. We don't have that thing. मैंने पहले कहा. Oh my God, it's horrible to choose. This one was right and that one was right.
So Bindu, am I the scorer here?
You'll have to see for the
Should
first
I get
game.
a
We'll
paper
take
and pen?
no, we'll take it on the screen. No, everybody will
Okay.
write the answers on the screen. So the person who writes first and is correct gets a prize. You just maintain that name. How many points they get?
So then I need a paper and pen, right? I should get in that.
Yes, please.
I'll get that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get that. Yeah.
थोड़ा सा हम मस्ती तो करेंगे, आई अंडरस्टैंड, लेकिन थोड़ी शराफत से मस्ती करें नहीं तो क्या होगा, चिल्लावा, ये होगा वो होगा, थोड़ा सा इजीली बैलेंस करके करें तो मजा आएगा. And please participate, type and type. I'm really telling you the best way is to write it. Fatafat. So keep your fingers, set yourselves. Whoever knows the answers can go immediately. Okay? We'll give
Yes.
everybody a fair chance. So one game, I think Deepa, Manish can be the judge. One game, you can be the judge.
Sure.
And in Antakshari, I want you all to participate. The maza aata hai. Ek to
Pranav
members
bhai
hum
will
log-
also be the judge in one game.
So good. No, I want you all to play actually. That is the main purpose of
Yes.
I'm
it.
all set.
All set,
I
Ji?
hope we reach
Yeah.
Antakshari before 11 o'clock because I have to leave at 11 and I really want to play.
Yes, we will. Okay, so
You take a call at 11, Aditi.
yeah, so Manishi, you will write whatever is the answer of the person, and if it's correct, they get 1 point.
Okay.
Okay, this is the first game. The
Okay.
game's name is कुछ मीठा हो जाए. ठीक है
Oh,
सही?
wow.
कुछ मीठा
Yeah.
हो जाए. अब इसमें क्या है, एक पहेली है. वो पहेली आपको लीड करती है और एक्सप्लेन करती है टू द नेम ऑफ द मिठाई. Okay, so I will give you a name, or I'll give you a question, or I'll give you some situation, or for that matter, I will give you some explanation. Hindi में होगा या English में होगा. Most of the mithais are in Hindi because all our mithais are in Hindi. Okay, जैसे for example, garden in Mysore.
Mysore Pak.
Mysore
Correct.
Pak.
So you get a point like this. Got it? I'm not
Yes.
going to give you more examples. So we have on the table we have 15 मिठाइस. अब ये मिठाइयों को आपको मैं पहेली के तौर पे भेज रही हूँ. What you have to do is, instead of saying it, so mute yourselves.
Yes.
Type it. The moment you type it, you may be right in saying it, but if you have not typed it, you will not get your answer and prize. Manzoor hai? Fair enough? This is a rule. And there will be multiple people who will say, the one who says first is the winner. Okay. So I'm starting with the first one. Can everybody mute yourselves? It will become little easy. ताकि मुझे भी थोड़ा पता
Kamal,
चले.
can you mute
Don't,
everybody?
don't say it aloud, because then you will give it out now. Then any and everybody, if you don't feel like typing and you don't want to participate, don't say it. The moment you say it ना, फिर वो game का एहसास चला जाता है. Okay, Shrikant ji, can you mute, sir? The first one, a little easy, but Ganesh Utsav ki speciality. Please type it. Very good, very good. Very smart people we have here. We've got the answer. We have Jigesh Bhatt saying the right answer, Pranav and Deepa. I'm taking the first three. So what you will do is, Manish ji, you will write three names. एक जो फर्स्ट आया है उसको 3 पॉइंट, जो सेकंड आएगा उसको 2 पॉइंट्स और जो थर्ड आएगा उसको 1 पॉइंट, so that we can tally it. Is it correct, Manish ji? Got it? So first was Jigesh, Deepa and Jigesh, Pranav and Deepa, right? And the answer is Modak. This is very easy. अब इतना easy नहीं होने वाला है, but still all said and done. Husband like, looks like husband, like your husband. Come on. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. We have 2 right answers. No. One more chance. One more person can put it on. Stop. Okay, so the right answer is actually Patisa and not Patasha. Patasha is the round one. तो आपका वहां पर गलत है. It is Patisa which Aditi said it. Patasha क्या होता है? Patasha means the white मीठा. And Patisa is, what is the mithai's name? So the answer Aditi gets with Patisa, not Patasha. Okay, please be very particular about your spellings. Royal meal. Royal meal. Royal meal. Royal meal. Yes, we got the answer. We got the answer. We got the answer. Pranav ji gets the right answer. Raj Bhog. Kamal also gets the right answer. 1 point to him too. It's not Jamun, it's Raj Bhog. Deepa gets a third option. Okay, Raj Bhog, correct. Then, droplets of sweetness. Droplets of sweetness. Got the answer. Again, Deepa gets the first prize. Bundi is correct. Not Motichur, but Bundi is the right answer. Okay, Sarita also gets the right one. And so does Jigish Bhai. Okay. Bundi is the right answer. Correct. Pieces of royalty. Pieces of royalty. Pieces of royalty. Yes, got it. Aditi gets Shahi Tukda is correct. So did Shahi Tukda is correct. Aditi got it, Kamal got it, and Mittal has got it. Okay, Shahi Tukda. Yes, pieces of royalty. Rose in a traffic jam. Rose in a traffic jam. Right spellings, please. Right spellings. गुलाब जामुन का सही स्पेलिंग डाला नहीं है आपने कमल जी. बट प्रवीण, जितेंद्र, गुलाब जामुन. यस, द आंसर इज नॉट गिलाब जामुन. सरिता, इट इज गुलाब जामुन. हम लोग फास्ट टाइप कर रहे हैं तो स्पेलिंग्स आर गोइंग रॉन्ग. रीड इट, यू लाफ एट योर ओन मिस्टेक्स. इट्स गुलाब जामुन. ओके. Juice bomb. I repeat, juice bomb. Juice bomb. स्मार्ट है आप लोग. हाँ भाई, हम सोचते खाली हम में, आप लोग भी बहुत स्मार्ट हो हैं. Jitendra gets it right. Rasgulla is the answer. Jigesh bhai also gets it right. Kamal also. Johnson also. Yes, Rasgulla. Okay. Milk pudding. Milk pudding. I got two right answers. It was kheer. The kheer, milk pudding is kheer. Even in the Britishers call it a milk pudding. Okay, kheer ko. Now, a nice one. Spinning top. Spinning top. Spinning top. Spinning top. We have two right answers. Aditi and Deepa. It is Firni. It is Firni. Okay. Water AB. Water AB. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, it is jalebi. So we have Deepa, Jignesh. One second, I'll just tell you. We got the right answers first from Deepa, Sarita, Kamal. Wow. So before we have the finishing, can you tell us who is leading? Manish, can you tell us who's leading? Manish, who's leading? Manish, are you there? Who's keeping the score? Manish, I'm leading from behind. I like that. Manish is Deepa must be leading.
Okay.
We still have to
Deepa,
complete.
Bindu, the
Yeah.
host muted me, so I could not speak.
Never mind. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, so should I tell you the score scoreboard
Who's
right
leading?
now?
Give us the three people who are leading, bus, because we have
So-
3 rounds more.
See, I think I have not in total, but Aditi has got 9 till now. So I
Wow.
think she's especially among the top 3.
Huh?
Then we have Jigish Bhatt, who's got also 9. Okay, so Jigish Bhatt and Aditi both have got 9.
Hmm.
And then I think we have
Deepa.
Pranav,
Acha,
who's
Pranav.
got 8.
Acha.
Yeah, so these are the 3 top people.
Are shabash. Very good. We have 3 more to go. So you have to choose the winner then. Okay. The next one is Round Gopala. Round Gopala. I got my answer. Okay. The round Gopal Jigish Bhas Laddu is correct. Golgappa is not a mithai. Deepa Laddu is correct. Kamal Laddu, Jitendra correct, Aditi Laddu. Okay, so they are correct with the answer. Next one, last 2. Okay, so that will be like a tiebreaker. Artistic STEM, little difficult, but if you get it right, you'll get your marks. Artistic STEM. Artistic STEM. Yes, correct. Kamal got Kalakand, Pranav got Kalakand, Kamal got Kalakand, Mittal Kalakand, Deepa Kalakand, correct. Pranav Kalakand, and they've got the right answer. Okay, the last one, the last mithai on the table, which will be the answer. Shining, shining. Shining, shining. शाबाश दिमाग सबका तेज है यार. I hope you guys are really enjoying this. Okay, Aditi got it right, Deepa got it right. Yes, the answer is chum chum. Answer is chum chum. Jitendra got it right. So these are our 15 mithais on the table. I hope आपका मुंह मीठा हो गया है सोच के ये सब हैं. We want to know the winner, Manish, and your answer is final. There is no arguments on it. Fair enough?
So yeah, Bindu, I'll take 2-3 minutes. I'm totaling.
Please take it. Okay, please. Did you like the games? Did you like this मीठा? कुछ मीठा हो जाए. बहुत सोच के दिखाया, दिमाग खराब कर के सोच के. You can go on, but I just thought let's start with something meetha and it'll really help us in such a way. Okay, so Sarita, why you muted? You can put them on now. Unmute them. Till we have the winner and then we go on to the next game.
Now they can unmute themselves.
Yes. Welcome, Bernosh. Good
I
morning.
have
Yes.
I
Hi,
want
birthday
to do a
boy.
controversy.
Hi, birthday boy.
मुझे भी इनाम चाहिए. मैं पीछे से हार गई. पीछे से जीत गई.
मैं तो
No,
already
next-
जीत रहा.
Next
नहीं,
game.
नहीं, Sarita,
Next game.
I
There
beat
are
you on
2 more games. Don't lose heart.
No, there are more games. Okay. This
I'm
was
typing something and something else is getting typed. Typo
Arey,
autocorrect.
हाँ.
Bindu, I'm ready with the results.
Please come on, everybody. Let's know who the winner is. Great. Please, Manish, go ahead.
Okay, so I will start with the second runners up.
Okay.
So second runners up is Kamal Jeswani
Oh, wow.
with 11 points. So the interesting thing to note is he got only the first, the 3 points. The first one he got only one correct, but he has been very consistent. So he got
Okay.
a lot of silvers and bronzes in the games.
Very
That is why
nice.
slowly he's made up to 11.
Very
Then
good.
the second prize goes to Jigish Bhatt with 12 points. He got
Shabash.
2 first ones right, and he got 2 silvers and then couple of bronzes.
Superb.
And the winner, anybody can guess?
Aditi.
I think Aditi, yeah. Or Deepa. I don't know.
So Deepa is the right
Aditi.
answer. she got just 2 first ones, but she has been very consistent. She in
Yes.
every game she
She's
got
getting- she's
something or the other,
participating,
bronze
yeah.
or something.
So
yeah.
host should not get the prize.
No,
Yes,
she's
yes,
not the
correct.
she's not the host.
No, no,
So
no.
this
correct,
game के लिए
correct.
she's not the host. I wanted them to because they never participate. You see, they're always behind the scene. Very good, Deepa. God bless you.
Thank
Good.
you.
अब
Yes.
आपको सबका मुंह मीठा करवाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, जरूर, जरूर.
है
Awesome.
ना? Great,
It was
great,
fun
great.
game.
So Manish ji, you write who's writing the prizes, and you need to give it
Yeah,
whenever
Manish,
it
keep
is.
the scores.
Yeah, so Deepa will decide the prizes and they will be couriered to the respective members.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
first, second, third prize, put it down, right?
सबको
Yeah, yeah,
मिलेगा.
Great,
Yes,
great,
yes.
great. I thought Aditi was getting in. That's what I was wondering. But I think there are a lot of lists. That's why I don't like to
You're
look
on
at
mute,
that.
Aditi.
No, I would actually, like to give it to a member.
So should
rather
I
than
tell you the
keeping
next
it.
one? Deepa, should I tell you the next one?
Arey, let her take
Yes.
no, Baba Manish. Let her
Haan,
take the
let her
prize.
take. Deepa, you take it, yeah.
She earns it. She earns it.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
I
Manish,
will grab it from her.
Manish, you keep the score. We will discuss this later.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
दीपा if you take it courier का खर्चा भी बच जाएगा ना यार.
नहीं नहीं अभी तो सब Amazon आपने इतना फैंटास्टिक आइडिया दे दिया ना Amazon का कि मेरी लाइफ इजी हो गई. I was so tense कि how will I send the Diwali gifts, but see we have brilliant members.
But Deepa, I'm thinking this time the prizes should be in sync with the game. So
Yeah.
maybe,
Have a box of
maybe
chocolates
mithai
or
wale
something.
Game, we can give them some
I
mithais. We can
have
courier
thought
some
of
mithais.
I have thought all of
Agreed.
that, Manish. Let this
Wow.
get over.
Okay.
Then I will-
Wow.
Then I will put my
I'm so glad. I'm so glad because it's really making sense. Great.
Yes.
Okay, on with the next game.
yes.
All of us in. इस बार हम ताश खेलेंगे. थोड़ा जुआरी बन जाते हैं.
Who's
But
going to
because-
keep the
So
score?
Bindu, before you start, I am the scorer for this game also, right?
No. You play this game and let someone
Okay.
else be the scorer.
So you decide that because the guy
So,
needs to.
Bindu, how easy or difficult it is to keep score because I am very bad at keeping scores.
I think somebody who's good in maths, maybe Jane.
No, it's
or,
not maths because you have to write again. Because what happens the moment they will say na, you will get very confused who said first. And किसी का mute होगा, then they will argue back. And I said it and I was not audible or my net went away. We can't get into that. So let
Yeah.
them type it. Let them just everybody is texting on this. That's the best way. First position, second position, and third position.
So maybe
Just
somebody
like-
can volunteer to be a scorekeeper
Come on.
in this game.
Who wants to come in? Pranav ji, aap aa jao. Okay, fair enough.
Get paper and pen. Give me a minute. Huh?
Yes, please.
Yeah, give me a.
Yeah.
Give me a.
So Manish, you participate because you don't know about this game.
Oh,
Please
okay, done.
participate
So actually,
also
I'm also
win.
not very good with
and
cards.
win. And win. It's not nothing to do with cards.
Okay.
It's
किसने
a-
बोला
it's a-
कि मनीष को कार्ड की गेम नहीं आती?
वो तो सब आप लोग ये पोल खुलेंगे ना.
So, this Diwali, the biggest thing I missed was the cards because we used to have about 10 parties in our, neighborhood and all that. And these used to be grand parties and, none of them happened this time.
Naturally.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
So it's a very simple game. Yes, कहने को तो ताश के पत्ते हैं, but वो ताश के पत्ते कुछ कह रहे हैं. तो वो ताश के पत्ते आपको दिखाएंगे और उसकी आधार पे एक मूवी का नाम है. So for example, if that movie name is the right name, you get 1 point. And if somebody has another name on it and you can go for it as a second, you can also go for it as a third. So what happens is on the same photo of the card, if you have 3-4 options, so you say, I know on the same photo, I have 3 names. So I get 3 points then. You don't have to say 1 point. You don't have to say one movie. Because sometimes what happens, there are more names of movies on that. So the more you know, the more points you get. Got it? एक बोल के चुप नहीं करो. If you can think of more, write. So Pranav, be a little alert because people are going to put down 2 to 3. You can write 2 to 3, 3, 4, 4 names on the same. Agreed, all of you? एक ताश का पत्ता आपको दिखाया जाएगा. If you want, I will paint the focus.
Yeah, sorry, Pranav. Just one tip for you: you can write the names of all the attendees on your sheet right away, so that later on you don't, you will have to struggle with time because people will type very fast.
No, I'll give you sufficient time. You don't worry.
Okay.
Pranav, I'll give you time for that. I'll hold one card. We'll give them about 5 seconds to hold it and show them.
Okay.
And we'll take only answer of the first 3 who answer. So first 3, agar they have one answer, they'll get 1 point. If they have 2 right, they'll get 2 points. If they have 3 or 4, they'll get 3 or 4 points.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Should we start? All
Yes.
okay, all open, everybody is aware.
Yes, I'm ready.
हम ताश खेल रहे हैं लेकिन with a twist. Movie का नाम based on. And take Indian movies so that if you want to go on, do you want to do Hollywood names also? Then let's take the rule first only. If you want to do Hollywood names, I'm okay. Fair enough? Okay, great.
I'm okay with Hollywood, but you let the majority decide.
Okay,
whatever.
Hollywood and Bollywood and Tollywood for that matter. Done? This is your first clue. Your first clue is this. Can you see the cards? Please don't say, if you want to mute yourselves, I'll appreciate if you mute. So that there is no, please mute yourselves. Can you all see the cards? It's a Jack, Queen and a King. It's a Jack, Queen and a King. So we have 3 people who said this. Kamal Mittal, Meranosh and Deepa. Sahib, Bibi or Gulam, correct. Anybody else has another bonus point to pick up? No. No. You have to have the names of the 3 cards in this. You can't have one. Otherwise, to bahut hai. I'll give you the examples. Okay, time up. So we have 3 answers, 3 winners. You've got their names down, Pranav? Is it easy? Am I going at the okay speed? Great. Okay. Next. Five. Punjab. Anybody else with another movie? So we have again Kamal Mittal with Hum Panch, correct? Aditi Hum Panch, Meranosh Hum Panch. Panch and Hum Panch is same, huh? There is no Panch. There's only one Hum Panch. Anybody else? Okay, Kamal Jeswani also gets 1 point. Furious 5. Kamal Jeswani another point. Dynamic 5. Panch Kaidi, Kamal said, I don't think there is one Panch Kaidi. Kahan hai? Are you sure? I don't think there's a movie called Panch Kaidi.
Bindu, Mehernosh is saying that Panch is also a movie.
I don't know. I think
he
it's
had
not
answered
Panch.
Panch also.
No, which Panch?
Saying just Panch. Just Panch is a movie, he's saying.
Okay, I'm not sure. I think it is Hum Panch. Meranosh, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, then 2 points to him. Okay, I think time up for this too. We're getting good answers, right? Are baap. Hey, you don't go on Wikipedia and all that stuff now, please, huh? Don't do this.
No,
Don't
I
keep
knew
it.
it. I knew it. That is why I wanted to
हाँ,
schedule.
प्लीज आप ये सब मत करने बैठो, मेरी क्लास लग जाएगी.
मुझे पता
Okay.
है.
Number 3. Queen. Okay. There are lots of movies on this. Okay, so we are just going. Deepa is correct with Rani. Rani is okay. Maharani is also okay. Queen is right. Rani is right. Roop Ki Rani. Actually, the movie is incomplete. Roop Ki Rani. nahi. Queen is also the right.
Rukirani Shoro ka Raja.
It is the whole. Yeah. So
हाँ,
Sarita has written Roop Ki Rani. Mother-in-law gaya. है Rani को राजा. Mother-in-law गया. Oh, नहीं just. It's again a typing error, huh?
मिल गया मिल
मिल गया. Oh Lord. अच्छा. Queen's butler, yes. Yes, you can take all these. Please write it down, huh? I'm giving you that time. I'm giving you at least about 30 seconds per this, so you can put in as many this. Okay. Jhansi Ki Rani is also correct. Begum Badshah is wrong because there is only one card here. Jhansi Ki Rani is correct. Got it? Okay, we move to the next. Everybody ready? All eyes for this card. Upside down, both ways. If I take the name, obviously the name of the movie will come out. We are getting the right answers. Correct. Right. Mera Naam Joker is correct. Clown is correct. Joker is correct. The red clown. I'm not aware of this, but I'm taking your word, Kamal. So Kamal gets 2 points. The singing clown. Okay, correct. We have another 5 seconds more. Anybody wants to think up? Okay. Done. Next. Come on. No, Charlie Chaplin we can't give you. Yes. Correct. Everybody correct. Correct. So Maharaja is correct. Rajkumar is correct. Raja को रानी नहीं दे सकते because एक कार्ड है. Maharaja is correct. Raja Hindustani is correct. King uncle is correct. Lal Badshah is correct. Okay. बादशाह बहुत जनों ने दिया है. Pranav ji, you will have to be more alert. King is correct. King uncle is correct. Raja Hindustani is. Singh is king is correct. शाबाश, क्या दिमाग चल रहा है सबका. मजा आ गया. Okay. Wonderful response. I am enjoying it more now. Okay. Next one. Two sevens. A movie with 7. Come on. Very good. और भी हैं. Correct. Very good. Superb. सत्ते पे सत्ता करेक्ट. 7 खून माफ करेक्ट. 7 हिंदुस्तानी करेक्ट. 7 करेक्ट. Very good. I'm super happy. Yeah, everybody is participating and very well also. 7-Eleven is a game or is a movie? 7-Eleven used to be a game, I remember.
I know that I know these stores, so many of them in Australia.
Yeah, 7-Eleven, yeah, but I don't know whether it's a movie. It's a movie.
Okay.
It's a supermarket.
Even if it is a movie, you have not shown us a 11, so I don't know whether you can give it.
Okay, we can give jiggers. हम साथ साथ हैं is also okay. Though the meaning of साथ over there is different, but साथ हम दे देंगे. We accept it.
Yes.
Yes, accepted. Sathiya also accepted. Correct. It is fair enough. It's a game. Come on, it's our own rules. Come on, you have another 5-7 seconds more if you can think of. साथिया नहीं है, साथ साथ है. साथ साथ नहीं, हम साथ साथ है.
साथ भी है.
साथ
फारूक शेख.
Okay, very good. सात समुंदर हो गया. Got it. Come on, great. 7 right for 7 brothers. Yes, correct. सतरंगी also correct. कमाल से दिमाग तुम्हारा बहुत अच्छा है, शानदार है, मजा आ गया. Okay, this one. These two together. Lots of movies. Correct. बेगम बादशाह is correct. राजा रानी is correct. रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा is correct. बेगम बादशाह actually spelling. राजा रानी is correct. Okay. पति पत्नी नहीं दे सकते हम यहाँ पर इसलिए क्योंकि these are king queen only cards. Elizabeth one would have come only in the queen, but that doesn't match. That doesn't go. Elizabeth doesn't match. Raja Rani, King Queen. Okay. Great. Next. Yes. This is a typical one movie actually. Yeah. So we have 3 answers here. Pranavji, the first 3 would be Kamal with Kamal Mittal 2 और 2 5, Mehranosh 2 और 2 5, Kamal Jeswani 2 और 2 5, Deepa 2 और 2 5, Sarita 2 और 2 5. चलो 5 winners इसमें से. But this is one specific movie, correct? Okay. हाँ जी. So the ace here is 1. Okay, correct. This movie is accepted. एक में और एक 2. Eklavya will not have this. I want both of these. Both of these, please. एक में और एक 2 is correct. एक का 2. Okay. एक में और एक हम तुम agreed. हम तुम is also 2. Don't take हम तुम. हम तुम is not correct. एक का 2. बहुत मूवीज हैं. प्लीज थोड़ा सोचिए 1 और 2 में. इक्की दुक्की. यस. एक फूल 2 माली. परफेक्ट. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मूवीज लाइक दिस. कम ऑन, go on. The bank of movies. एक ही भूल. ओके. एक हसीना 2 दीवाने. परफेक्ट. एक कमल हसन की मूवी आई थी रति अग्निहोत्री के साथ. कम ऑन. करेक्ट. एक तुझे के लिए. एक फूल 2 माली. बहुत मूवीज हैं. परफेक्ट. वेरी गुड. Another 5 seconds more. We can think of more names. 1 and 2 हैं. 1 और 1 2. ओके. Great. Stop. Okay. Now we have the last 3. Before we that, can you just roughly tell us, Pranav, who is leading? Anybody is leading?
So there are no guesses. Meher is at the top.
Shabash. I thought as much.
Yeah.
बड़ा जुआरी है. हैं?
Then there is Deepa,
Okay.
and there's a tough fight between both the Kamals.
अरे वाह वाह, very good.
So we have three last ताश के पत्ते हैं,
Yes.
वो 3 आपकी किस्मत डिसाइड करेंगे. ओके, चलो एक आ गया ये. Come on. Lot of movies again with this. So 3 is correct. 3 is correct. 3 पत्ती is correct. 3 दिगड़ा काम बिगड़ा is correct. 3 देवियां is correct. तीसरी मंदिर is correct. 3 देवियां again. 3 ट्रिनिटी, तीसरी मंजिल. रेस 3, तीसरी आंख. तीसरी मंजिल, त्रिमूर्ति. 3 पत्ती, त्रिदेव, 3 देवियां. अरे बाबा, एक बहुत फेमस नाम है. ट्रिनिटी, गोलमाल 3, रेस 3. रेस खाली नहीं लिखा जाएगा. क्रिश 3, यस. धूम 3, यस. गोलमाल 3, यस. एक बहुत फेमस नाम है और शायद मिस कर रहे हो, आमिर खान. जब ये दिमाग नहीं होता हम क्या उसको बुलाते हैं? 3 इडियट्स, यस. come on. Madagascar 3. Yes, very good. Great. The second last one. Okay. 3 amigos also has been put in correct. We are 3. Okay. Next one. Come on. We have a lot of movies with this. Gulam, Gulami, Joru Ka Gulam. Correct. Sahibiria Garam is taken. That he can't put in this. Gulam is there. Gulami is there. Translate the Gulam and Gulami. What is this card called? It's called Jack. Yeah. So Jack of all trades. Come on. There's so many movies with Jack. Jack Johnson, Meet Jack. Come on. Yes. You're on the right track. Jack in the Jungle. The Day of the Jackal. We'll give you the Day of the Jackal also, Manish.
Yeah, I saw that movie.
Jumping Jack is given. Jack Reacher is given. There are a lot of names. You translate it, you'll get it. Jack Reacher. Jack Ryan. Great. And the last one on the table, who will make you the winner. Again, lot of this with this. Come on. By itself. Okay. Very good. Very good. दो रेस तो दुगी, मैडागास्कर 2, गोलमाल 2, धूम 2, 2 हाथ, दोनों हम दोनों, रेस 2, 2 कैदी, लायन किंग 2, अवतार 2, 2 रास्ते, 2 जासूस. बहुत मूवीज हैं. 2 प्रेमी. कम ऑन और भी सोचो. 2 जासूस. समथिंग दैट बीट्स. व्हाट कीप्स ऑन बीटिंग. 2 दिल. करेक्ट. 2 दिल, 2 रास्ते, 2 जासूस. 2 क्रेजी पीपल को क्या कहते हैं? 2 दीवाने. करेक्ट करे. मुझे जीने दो. वेरी गुड. 2 पागल. 2 आंखें 12 हाथ. वेरी गुड. मुझे प्यार से जीने दो. प्राइज 2 हार्ट्स. 2 हार्ट्स. फैंटास्टिक. मुझे प्राइज दे दो. Got it? This was the last card, but it has too many names with it. Great. We end over here. We end here. Our Tashka pattas are going to be packed up and used till we meet again. दूसरा आदमी मैरन जोश के अभी भी पिक्चर चल रही है. मैरन जोश, you one hands down by the way. I don't think we need Pranav's guidance here.
दो
दो तालियां. उसको दो प्राइज. उसको दो प्राइज.
Yes.
Mehernosh is first. Kamal Jeswani by saying all the sequel with number 3 and number 2. So he has become now second.
Oh, शाबाश. कमाल कर दिया तुमने.
And Deepa ma'am at third position.
Oh, shabash.
Yeah.
Not bad. Very good. Very good. Very good. So this was my second game. I hope you guys had a good time because I had a good time watching you guys. The way you are running and struggling and दिमाग कहाँ से पिक्चरें निकल आए हो तुम लोग. मतलब मैं तो सोच के हैरान हो रही थी.
का असर है. सबने पिक्चर ही देखे.
I thought I had a good question, but I think you guys are so much better. Congrats to the winners. Yes, great.
I remember one of my professors in MBA. He used to say, "कि पिक्चर नहीं देखा तो क्या सीखा?"
Oh wow.
सबसे बारी दीपा का है. 2 थप्पड़.
वो भी जो अच्छा है मुझे प्राइज दे दो.
थोड़ा फन तो चाहिए ना यार. एकदम सीरियसली खेल रहे हैं.
Of course चाहिए. प्राइज चाहिए और lot of games fun चाहिए. Okay, the next one is हाँ जी.
I'm thinking now in the third game I can again be the scorer. Let Pranav play.
Why?
Because
you know what?
Because anyway I don't know much of the answers, so as well as I do scoring job.
No, you know now what I'm going to do for the next game. This is an Antakshari. Okay, now Antakshari में I want everybody to participate. सबसे पहले तो कोई बात नहीं करेगा. जो भी बात करनी है गा के बात करेगा.
वाह वाह वाह.
So आपको एक simple rule है कि अब के बार सब गा के बात करेंगे. Okay, so you sing and you talk. Whatever is your question, if you have a question, रुकिए मुझे भी पूछना है तो वो भी गा के बात करेंगे. We have to laugh. All of us have to laugh. This is going to be a yoga of laughter here.
सबकी खिड़कियां बंद कर दो नहीं तो कौवे आ जाएंगे.
Okay, great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give each one a chance to sing. That each one has to sing. Please don't say, don't speak. Sing. आवाज बेसुरी हो या सुर में हो, लेकिन गाना है. And then others can put up their hands and we go to them if they have a extra thing. Fair enough? Okay. अब ये थोड़ा जो अंताक्षरी का राउंड्स है वो थोड़े हटके हैं. यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड हमारे सारे गेम्स हटके हैं, डिफरेंट है. तो हमने इसको बनाया है एक एक राउंड को अलग सिचुएशन है. तो सबसे पहले मैं शुरू करती हूँ because I'm a numerologist.
Sorry to you are going to do the scoring for this.
I'll do the scoring for this game because I'm going to give everybody a chance. No points for that. The moment you get a bonus, the moment you take on an extra, you're going to get a point. As simple as that. Okay? And that anybody can write down also. That you want, Manish, you write it down. The moment you have a everybody sings a song, no point. Sabko same hai. The moment somebody has an extra.
Sorry to interrupt. Manish ji को कुछ कहना तो ऐसे कहना चाहिए तो मुझे कुछ कहना है.
He'll say, but then he'll say, मुझे भी कुछ कहना है तो हमारा चलता रहेगा फिर. Okay? So, the bonus points will get marks. Fair enough? अच्छा. सबसे पहले.
तो बिंदु मुझे ये पूछना है.
हाँ जी.
ये बोनस पॉइंट का मुझे रखना है क्या स्कोरिंग?
Yes. चलो आप लिखे बोनस पॉइंट वालों के लिखिए. Done. Okay. Because I'm a numerologist, I'm going to start with numbers. इसे हम नाम दिया है अंक अंताक्षरी. तो आपको एक अंक दिया जाएगा, एक नंबर दिया जाएगा. आपको उस नंबर से गाना गाना है और आपको एक ही गाना गाना है. सबको एक एक मौका मिलेगा लेकिन नंबर्स अलग होंगे. नो रिपीटेशन ऑफ नंबर्स. फिर जो नंबर्स खत्म हो जाएंगे ऑन बोर्ड, वी ऑलरेडी 16 मेंबर्स, काउंटिंग मी आउट 15 एंड Manish also, you also participate. You can sing a song with it. Whichever, I'll give you an easy one. I'll make sure I'll give you an easy one. फिर जो extra numbers होंगे for bonus points, you all fight to get more songs. You put your hand up, you'll get a chance. You put your hand up, you'll get a chance. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So we start with number. I give you one hint, and that number will not be repeated. So, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 तेरा करूं गिन 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 के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बहार. So use these numbers. You will not be able to repeat some of them unless I pinpoint and say आपको ये number से गाना गाना है. Done? So first chance I'm giving Deepa. Why? Because you've already won the prize, so I'm giving you. Sing a song with Sat. 7.
सात समुंदर पार में तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गई, मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गई.
Fantastic. So 7 number is taken. Okay.
Can I sing one more?
No, you won't get. When the chance comes again, but you cannot repeat 7. You'll have to repeat another number.
Okay.
Aditi, sing a song with 9.
Mm. 9.
No. That she will have to. That will go in the 9 will go in the. Come on. Sri Devi का बड़ा famous गाना है.
मेरे हाथों में नौ चूड़ियां.
Sing. Come on. I'll help you where I can.
मेरे हाथों में नौ चूड़ियां है, थोड़ा ठहरो बलम पूरियां है, जन मजबूरियां है.
Very good. Okay. Sarita, sing with number 3. Come on.
अभी मैं 1 2 3 वाला गा सकती हूँ.
1 2 3 क्या?
1 2 3.
No, the song is gone. The song is gone. Not valid.
Okay. 3.
Come on. Think.
Ethan, help.
Look at me.
Okay. I didn't get it.
Come on.
Shall I sing?
No, Deepa, let her think.
3 1 प्रणाम आदाब. अमर अकबर आंसर ही था.
Sing. Come on.
Title song.
Come on. This is no points. That's why I want you all to participate and enjoy.
Someone guide me. I don't know.
होनी को अनहोनी करते.
अच्छा, okay. होनी को अनहोनी कर दे.
अनहोनी को
ये होनी.
एक जगह जब जमा होती नो. Amar Akbar, Anthony.
I'm very bad in songs. Yes, very true. I'm very bad in songs.
Okay. Manish giving you a simple one. Two.
My God, I'm quite bad at songs.
No, don't say bad and good. There are a lot of songs with 2. Come on. Participate.
I can't think of anything.
Come on.
You need to give me a hint.
There are lots of songs actually.
Dil will pyar vyar.
नहीं वो तो अच्छा वो तो
दो दिल.
Come on, sing a song.
No, I think I'm okay.
Come on, sing this. What is this in Hindi?
Do.
What is this in Hindi? Manish?
अभी मुझे गाना है.
दो ना?
हाँ दो.
Sing.
दो दिल.
Sing the song next. This is the first 2 words. दो दिल
जहाँ मिलते हैं
मगर चुपके. Come on, there's such lovely songs. A lot of songs there. I gave you the easiest one actually. Okay.
Bonus.
No, bonus nahi. I'm giving everybody one chance. Pranav ji, your chance. Sing with a number 20.
20. 20 वाला गाना अभी से ना
है
गाने. 20 साल बाद मूवी का अगर टाइटल सॉन्ग
कोई भी गाइए।
गाना है, बोलना नहीं है।
आई नीड हेल्प।
बीस ने कर दिया पीस सबका। हाय मैं क्या करूं।
और कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा वो।
सावन बरस गए मेरे प्यार से नैना तरस गए।
क्या बात है, वाह वाह।
थैंक यू।
I was just giving him that hint. आगे गाना है।
हाँ गाना है पूरा।
मेरे को ये गाना ही नहीं आता है। साल बाद 20 साल।
हाँ इतना भी चलेगा।
20 साल बाद।
कैंडल ले लो कैंडल।
थैंक यू।
ओके ओके। Meranos, okay, for you. 10. You'll definitely.
10 बहाने करके ले गई दिल, ले गई दिल। 10 बहाने करके ले गई दिल।
Superb. Superb, superb. Margaret saw 100. 100 is your number. Unmute yourself, unmute yourself. Come on.
100 साल पहले।
Perfect. I'm giving very. मुझे तुमसे प्यार था,
मुझे तुमसे प्यार है,
आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। Very good. Yes, Kamal, Mittal.
Very nice voice. Who was singing? Margaret. Awesome.
Margaret, Kamal ji, Mittal ji, 1000. Come on, where are you? He's got up.
हजार ना।
देखो ट्रांसलेशंस आप लोग सब दे रहे हो। मित्तल, because there are two Kamals here. Kamal, where are you? मित्तल।
हजारों में आवाज तो आ रही है, हजारों में कोई याद नहीं आ रहा।
बहुत है।
बहुत है, बहुत है।
Come on.
I can give you a hint on this one.
It's a very famous.
बोलेंगे तो कैसे
बातें मुड़ के देखी कहीं से कोई सदा था, बड़ी वफा से
चलो ठीक है।
कि तुमने हमारी थोड़ी
सी brave. But I'm taking this opportunity to wish Meranos for yesterday on the number 1000. मंजूर है? सब पार्टिसिपेट
Yeah.
Yes.
Where are
मेरे को भी
you?
वही गाना याद आया था।
आया ना गाए हम आपके लिए।
Yes.
बारी बारी दिन ये आए, बारी बारी दिन गाए, बारी बारी दिन ये आए, बारी बारी दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो
हजारों साल,
ये हमारी है आरज़ू।
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meranos. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Gosh. Okay.
मेरे को लाखों का याद आया था कि लाखों है निगाह में, लेकिन मैं बोला 1000 है, मेरी गिनती ज्यादा हो जाएगी।
अभी मैं लाख नंबर का नेक्स्ट देने वाला था। अभी क्या बोलूं?
ऐसा गाने का ना 1000 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था।
हाँ, अपना चेंज कर दो। चल कमल, योर चांस। व्हाट नंबर टू गिव यू? 4।
4 जहाँ 4 यार मिल जाए वहीं बात
रात तू गुजार। भाई रात तू गुजार।
Perfect.
1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1 माय नेम
Actually, dance also, Kamal. Good. I think we are left with Johnson now. Johnson, for you, simple song.
Also.
Johnson,
Gopu sir.
Johnson, 1 number 1.
1. Okay.
1. बहुत गाने हैं, don't worry. बहुत गाने हैं.
सबसे ज्यादा एक पर ही होते हैं।
One day at a time.
Sweet Jesus, that's all I'm asking from you.
Wow, that's
Okay,
nice.
but that's great. We accept his. Gopu ji, आपके लिए. You're there, right, Gopu? Okay, for you. Gopu ji, lakh, 1 lakh. Gopu ji, you're there?
I think somebody needs to call him up because he's not there, it seems.
Okay, then we
Or we
move
can
to
skip it.
Jitendra. Jitendra ji, you would like to sing a song? Sorry, I experienced some connectivity issue getting disconnected. Jitendra, can you hear me, but? Can you hear me? I need to hear your voice. So your number game is 60. 60, Jitendra.
I think Bindu, he's having some connectivity issues.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's saying he has connectivity.
Yeah, he's
issues.
messaged. Okay. Anybody
Anu,
wants to sing
Anu
with?
has come in.
Anu joined in.
has come in.
Anu, sing with 60. Come on.
यार बड़ा मुश्किल काम
नहीं,
देते हो.
कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. Come on.
Anu, you're a good singer.
I am 60 going on 70. La 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 la.
Deepa, you're the best. I really don't know, yeah.
Come on. There's one very famous song. I'll help you. But you're going to sing it and nobody is helping her.
Yes.
You're going to, it's a Ranbir and a Babita song.
मैंने उसी के लिए हाथ उठाया था.
हाँ. It's a couple. हाँ? Come on. It is okay.
Shall I try?
What is this your number? This is your number, Anu. Double fives को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Come on. It's a very famous song.
मुझे पूरा गाना ऐसा इतना बढ़िया गाना.
चलो सब गाएं.
नहीं, अनु को गाने दीजिए, अनु.
She'll think. I know she'll think.
Give her a hint.
I gave her a
बचपन की.
Perfect. जब तुम होंगे 60 साल के और मैं होंगे 55 के, दोनों प्रीत निभाओगे तुम तब भी अपने बचपन की. What a lovely song, यार.
Yes, very sweet.
Sorry यार, टांग पकड़ी मैंने.
नहीं. Anybody left? All of us got a chance. Anybody has more songs for a bonus?
Call up Gopu.
Why not?
Gopu is a good singer.
आ गया. He sang.
Yes.
गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी.
कोई गाड़ी.
थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़ी गाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी.
बम 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 बम.
Superb. I think everybody has participated in the song.
Bindu, give Gopu one more song so he can sing in his melodious voice.
Okay, great. Okay, then Gopuji, you choose any number that suits you.
You had given him 1 lakh ना, लाख नंबर दिया था ना उनको.
हाँ, चलो लाख पे गाइए आप.
लाख पे कौन सा गाना है?
बहुत सारे हैं.
लाखों ही निगाह में
जिंदगी की राह मगर हसीन जवान. बहुत अच्छे. Okay, sing a song of your choice in any number game. Or should I move? Bara Ana. You get a bonus point, na Kamal, over here if you sing that song. Sing it.
5 रुपया 12 आना.
Perfect.
भैया
ना. Manish, इसको एक bonus point मिलता है. Anybody else for more bonus points? Come on.
So 1 point, ना?
हाँ, मित्तल जी बोलिए.
गरीबों की सुनो वो तुम्हारी सुनेगा, तुम 1 पैसा दोगे वो 10 लाख। 10 लाख रह गया था ना।
मंजूर है। He gets 1 more point. Anybody else for a number game? More bonus?
नाच मेरी बुलबुल के पैसा मिलेगा, कहाँ तुझे ऐसा कदरदान मिलेगा।
5 नहीं है उसमें।
I have on दो।
Okay, बोलो। दो is taken.
का ज़मीन पर है मिलन।
दो is taken ना. I want a new number which is not in the list. Yeah.
I said on पैसा no.
हाँ,
ऐसा
पैसा
पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में।
Correct,
ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में। कोई आए जाए मेरे ख्यालों में।
Perfect. Again he gets 1 more point.
I will sing. 16 बरस की,
17
बरस का।
Correct.
मैं 16 बरस की, तू 17 बरस।
1 point to Deepa also.
मिल न जाए नैना।
Correct. Yes, Aditya.
एक नंबरी
भैया, एक नंबरी।
तो 1 भी गया और 10 भी गया। हाँ, तो 2 पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा। ये 10 नंबर वाला गया। हाँ, 10 नंबर गया। Anybody has another to say? Another new number? New number. Any more numbers for bonus points? Numbers बिक रहे हैं। Anybody?
कौन से नंबर?
जो नंबर हो गए नहीं, जो नंबर हो गए उस पे पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे। जो नंबर नहीं,
मैं अभी I joined in. Do I know which are the numbers?
All are practically all are gone. Practically
all are gone now.
Okay, चलो let's.
1000 वाला गया।
1000 गया। Okay, we move to the next round. For more bonus points, get tuned in.
Can you
second
sing this? ये मेरे प्यारे कोई अंडे का फंडा। अंडा 0 is a number, no?
What rubbish! Don't be greedy for points.
क्रिएटिविटी का पॉइंट
वो तो स्कूल में बोलते थे अंडे को नंबर।
ये तो तुम अपना बना रहे हो, तो तुम सब
Stop. से ही 100 से 1000 होते हैं ना।
We are moving to the next round.
Okay.
The next round is रंग अंताक्षरी। रंग अंताक्षरी मतलब रंगों की अंताक्षरी, जहाँ पे हम लोग को गाना गाना है based on a color.
Wow.
Correct? Okay.
Yes.
So again, 1 chance everybody can get. Choose a color, easiest color. Manish should choose 1 color and sing, and you cannot repeat that color. Come on, Manish, giving you first chance. Sing a color.
लाल दुपट्टा।
क्या गाना गाइए ना। लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया मेरा हवा के झोंके से, मुझको पिया ने देख लिया हाय धोखे से। कलर गॉन।
मनीष को बोलो डांस तो कर दे। गाना तो हमने
गाना नहीं गा।
अरे भाई मर्दाना गाना गाओ ना।
अच्छा चलो, अभी कमल आपकी बारी, आप मर्दाना गाना गाओ। चलो गाइए। रेड इज गॉन। कम ऑन मिक।
हरी थी मन भरी थी, लाख मोती जड़ी थी, राजा जी के बाग में 2 शाला ओढ़े खड़ी थी, कच्चे पक्के दांत थे उसके, मेरा है सुहाना चकदाना।
डन। सो हरा कलर इज गॉन। यस प्रणव बोलिए।
नीला आसमां खो गया। थैंक यू।
नीला आसमान सो गया, खो गया नहीं। टीम नीला इज गॉन, ब्लू इज गॉन। कम ऑन नेक्स्ट।
I'll give. हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं हम, तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं।
परफेक्ट।
Now I will sing.
Black. Yes, Deepa.
गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा।
Perfect. White is gone.
Yes.
Any more? बोलते जाओ।
लाल लाल होठों पे गोरी।
No, लाल is gone. Lal is gone. You can't repeat red.
रंग दे तुम है गेरुआ।
That's a song actually. There is a song. Right.
गेरुआ कलर है ना, गेरुआ।
Yeah, it's a brown color. Yeah.
गेरुआ कलर है ना, वही जो पहना हुआ है वही
कलर है। It's a color. That's right actually. Kamal is okay. Brown is gone. What else? Anybody? Come on, Meron or Shia.
काली काली आंखें।
Black is gone. Black is gone. Gopu. Black is gone. Gopu. Black is gone.
जी।
आपने गाया ना, दूसरों को चांस मिल रहा है, फिर आपको बोनस मिल जाएगा। Meron knows your chance. Come on, sing a song.
All colors are taken and
No, they're the
Gulabi,
number of
gulabi.
colors.
अभी तो बात
Come on.
Gulabi.
गुलाबो
Yes.
जरा इस तरह जुला
दिल हो गया.
Pink is gone, correct. Very good. Sarita, come on, one song. We have lot of colors. Should I give you colors? We have yellow, we have gold, we have silver. Then we have
चांदी जैसा रंग.
No. Deepa, out of turn नहीं गाना, फिर वो चला जाएगा किसी का chance.
Sarita.
Come on, Sarita, sing.
अरे let me think.
अरे कहूँ तूने सरिता चांदी
She sang for you.
रंग है तेरा
सोने जैसे बाल.
एक तू ही
धन्यवाद.
तो दो कलर आ गए.
तू
अभी तो हालत उल्टा है.
दो
चांदी
कलर
जैसे
आ
बाल है
गए.
तेरे.
सोना कलर भी आ गया, गोल्ड कलर, सिल्वर कलर, दो कलर आ गए.
हाँ बोलो आदिति.
ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे
Perfect.
सोना.
Very good. I think we've covered almost all colors. Yes, कमल जी बोलिए, आपका हाथ ऊपर है, बोलिए.
दुपट्टा पीला सूट.
Yes.
कहानी तू दिल को लूट. दिल में तेरे हाँ है होठों पर ना है झूठ.
Perfect. I think we've covered all colors here.
The
So
last
big-
song is Raindrops on Roses and
Yes.
Whiskers on Kittens.
I think a big hand to each one of us. Huh? All the colors we've gotten.
Round cup.
Okay, the next one is also very interesting round. इसे कहते हैं जुड़वा अंताक्षरी. जुड़वा अंताक्षरी मतलब two words coming together. So I'll give you one example. For example, रंगे रंगे के फूल खिले हैं, मोए भाई कोई रंग ना.
You have such a beautiful voice.
अभियान मिलो सजना, आन मिलो सजना. So रंग we took. So इसी
Okay, I
तरह
go,
बहुत
I
सारे.
go.
Yes, Jen, come on, start.
ये काली काली आंखें तुरुरु, दो बार आ गया, काली काली तुरुरु.
अब गोरे गोरे भी आ गया.
हाँ.
गोरे गाल, correct. Anybody else next? Come on, go. Because इसमें सबके bonus आ रहे हैं. So Jane gets 1 point. Manish, put it down.
Okay.
Yeah. The next whoever sings is 2. Aditi, go for it.
Can I sing? गोरे गोरे गालों पे काला काला चश्मा.
Yes, it is repeat. हाँ, correct. Aditi gets another point. Yes,
Next,
Mittal.
I'm going to sing.
Mittal ji, बोलिए.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
That's the name of a movie.
नहीं, वो सॉन्ग भी है ना.
Sing it.
करूँ हाय, कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yes, correct. Jeswani gets
Now,
1
now
point.
my chance.
हाँ बोलो, Deepa.
रोते रोते हंसना
Perfect.
सीखो.
Deepa gets 1 point. I hope you're writing, Manish ji. हाँ, Mittal ji,
Yeah,
आप
I'm
बोलिए.
writing.
Mittal ji बोलिए.
मामा ओ मामा खाई चक्कर ऐसा है अपना चक्कर में तुम नहीं आना.
Anna, oh mama. Aditi is saying right.
दे दे प्यार दे
Correct.
प्यार दे.
Correct. Come on. Anybody else for this
Yes.
also?
मम्मी ओ मम्मी तू कब सास बनेगी.
Wow,
नहीं, ये
Manish
नहीं
put it.
चलेगा.
नहीं बस
मम्मी,
चलेगा.
ओ
मम्मी
मम्मी आया.
I say.
the prelude. Yes, Sarita, go ahead.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना
वाह वाह
चाहिए.
सरिता वाह.
Sarita also gets 1 point. Yes, Mittal ji बोलिए.
ओ मम्मी ओ डैडी
चलेगा.
ओ मम्मी डैडी हो जाओ रेडी जिससे मेरी शादी होगी. आज मैंने वो लड़की ढूंढ ली है.
Damn good. Yes,
पानी
Kamal.
पानी दे.
Correct. Give Jane a point.
पानी.
Jane, show your pretty face, Jane.
अरे I am not in a position to
Okay.
show my face. I
कोई
will
बात
later on.
नहीं.
Okay, no worries.
Jeswani, your chance.
दिल है कोई शीशा तो नहीं.
वाह वाह वाह.
चोट लग.
Very good. बोलिए कमल जी. Mittal ji.
टुकड़े करके मुस्कुरा के
सारे छुपे रुस्तम में.
So Bindu, we have to give Kamal, Jeswani and Kamal Mittal 1 point.
More. The more songs they sing, the more points they're getting.
हाँ, तो मेरा भी 2 हो गया.
आया ना. Manish ji is a scorer. If you have to pounce on it.
I'm going to sing. चल
I
चल
don't like to
चल
be the-
मेरे हाथी.
Correct, Deepa.
मेरे साथी.
Very good. Very good.
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब
Perfect.
छाए,
Wow.
चांद बरसाए, हमको तरसाए, ऐसा कोई साथी
साथी
हो,
ऐसे को प्रेमी हो.
प्यास
Great. Any more? We give you last 3 persons to chance. Yes, Aditi.
Ding
I'm not
dong.
singing.
Oh, baby, sing the song.
I am not singing this
You have to
round.
leave.
I have to leave now. So
Yes,
thank
perfectly
you very much,
okay.
everybody.
Thank you,
Kasam
Aditi.
se,
Happy Diwali all. We
kasam
had such a
se.
great time.
Okay.
Thank you
So
for coming,
bye.
Aditi. And
Bye. Thank you, Bindu, for
Bye,
Bye,
inviting
Aditi.
me.
Aditi.
Thank you,
Bye.
darling.
It
Thank
I'll
you.
sing one.
मेरा मूड
Happy Diwali once again.
मूड चला जा रहा है.
Bye.
bye,
Okay,
bye.
Aditi.
Others,
Bye,
please
bye,
stay.
Aditi.
Bye, Aditi.
So
Others,
I have
please
one
stay.
song.
Yes, sing, Sarita. Continue.
Tan 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 tara.
Oh, शाबाश
आदि
उठी
है
इसकी.
क्या 9 से 12.
वाह वाह वाह.
ठीक है,
Okay,
good.
I will also go for one.
चलो
Yes.
जाते जाते
कल
कुछ गा के गए.
दिल के पास
Yes.
तुम रहती हो. बस हो गया.
Yes.
Kamal Mittal has one.
चलते मेरे ये गीत याद
याद
रखना,
रखना.
कभी अलविदा ना
Perfect.
कहना.
Very good.
दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, छोड़ो भी ये गुस्सा, जरा हंस के दिखाओ. दादी अम्मा मान जाओ.
Very good. सब उस्ताद है.
हाय हुक हाय हुक हाय
ओए,
हाय
शाबाश. ये
हाय
लोग
हुक हाय हुक हाय.
पीछे के दाना,
लड़की.
पीछे के दाना.
How many winners we have, Manish, here?
You want the note to know the.
Yeah, this depends also going on continuous.
So do you want me to tell you the score right now?
No, I was thinking we'll have a last round and then we'll wind up.
Okay.
Actually, I have a list of 10 rounds, but I don't think one more round we'll play. But अच्छा होगा उसका. Because we are celebrating Diwali, I just thought we'll do one त्योहारों की अंताक्षरी. तो तुम्हें एक त्योहार का नाम लेना है और वो उस पे गाना है. And everybody gets a bonus point for it. So after that we do the score, Manish, and we announce the winner. Fair enough?
I will start.
Okay. You have to say the name of the त्योहार and sing a song.
So Holi, I'm going to sing on Holi.
Fair enough.
Okay. होली के दिन दिल मिल जाते हैं, रंगों से रंग जुड़ जाते हैं.
Perfect. So Deepa gets a
Bindu,
point.
do we need to give her a point?
Yeah,
or do
you
we
need
not
to give her a
point?
point. 1 second, and nobody can repeat Holi. You have to choose another त्यौहार and sing another song relevant to it. Fair enough? Yeah, go for it. Come on. Yes, Margaret.
Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha. Okay, I said something in between. कोई बोल रहा था ना?
Margaret, you are mute. You have to unmute yourself. Now.
So I was also going to say on Ganpati.
Please sing.
हाँ
Please
तो
sing.
आप बोलो.
Please.
Go ahead.
देवा रे देवा गणपति देवा.
Perfect.
सबसे बढ़कर कौन, सबसे बढ़कर कौन.
Superb. So she gets 1 point and yes, Mittal ji, boliye.
लो जी फौजी मौज में आ गया पहन के वर्दी खाकी, नाच बजदा लचकेला की, छोड़ दे बैसाखी और जट्टा आई बैसाखी.
Very good.
I'll
Very
sing.
good. Very good. Yes, Sarita, your chance. Sing.
भैया मोरे राखी के बंधन
बंधन
को
को
निभाना.
Perfect.
बस
Perfect. So
उतना ही आता
four त्यौहार gone. Anybody else? Come on.
Jane.
गोविंदा.
मेरा दिवाल गणेश जी का था तो हो गया.
हाँ, then जेसवानी बोलो.
मेरा वो गोविंदा
Perfect.
गोविंदा.
Allowed. That is on Gokul Ashtami. Yes. Anybody else? Come on, something on Christmas, something on New Year.
Silver bell.
Wow.
Silver bell, soon it will be Christmas time.
Perfect.
Nice,
So he gets his point.
मेरी तुम्हारी हैप्पी दिवाली, हम सब की है हैप्पी दिवाली.
He also gets another point, please. Anybody else?
One more.
Come on. There are.
मरी मई सागरनी आरे ढोल वागे से ढोल वागे से.
Very good.
नवरात्रि.
Yes, yes, yes. और किसी को कुछ याद आ रहा है?
भांगड़ा का चलेगा?
नहीं, उसने बैसाखी बोल दिया.
अच्छा ठीक है.
There is something on Karwa Chauth if you want to sing. Then there is New Year, नाग पंचमी. हाँ बोलिए ना. Points के लिए कुछ भी करिए.
नाग देवता मेरी बिनती सुनो रे, नाग देवता मेरी.
ऐसा कोई सॉन्ग है क्या?
So points you can sing it.
नहीं. Actually, there's a song. If you
I believe you. No,
yeah,
I'm not putting on Google. I believe you, Baba.
I don't have I had heard this song maybe when I was a child. तो हम लोग बहुत हंसते थे कि ये क्या गाना है.
Okay,
sorry.
Come on, we got the points. Great. Anybody else?
So do we give Kamal a point for this?
Yes,
or no?
yes, of course we give him.
Okay.
We give him.
Okay.
करवा चौथ पे किसी को याद आ रहा है? न्यू ईयर पे किसी को याद आ रहा है? राखी का हो गया. या बोलिए.
बट मुंह पे नहीं आ रहा है, जुबान पे नहीं आ रहा है.
So we have time.
अरे ये पतंग पे ना उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी.
You are checking on the Google. ठहर जा तू दीपा.
क्या करूँ अभी मैं? मुझे पॉइंट मत दे. दिल की पतंग उड़ी जाए. है ना?
No. Sure. Anybody else left?
और कौन सा त्योहार तो कितने सारे हैं.
बहुत हैं. Okay, now we can take a score.
Yes.
Go ahead. Come on.
Okay, give me 2 minutes. I'm totaling.
Yeah. Okay. So there were other rounds also which I had thought. One was a khana pina round. So you take we're not playing it, but it was a round that will say जैसे दाल रोटी खाओ प्रभु के गुण गाओ, or anything to sing with food related.
Yeah.
Then there was one on the transport I had kept. Transport means flight में एक साइकिल के ऊपर रे. हाँ, बहुत गाने. एक गाना उसमें मैंने शॉर्टलिस्ट किया था. एक मैंने समय का सोचा था. जैसे तूने बोला था ना कि आती क्या 9 से 12, तो समय लेना पड़ेगा आपको. तो टाइमिंग 12, 2, 3. हाँ, all that one I had thought of that, but we are not playing it.
We can do all those things. Next meeting में हम लोग फिर से बिंदु जी का करते हैं ना.
नहीं.
More people can take that.
No, but it's not that.
It's very beautiful. I mean, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा idea ये. I really love this idea.
No, we can do a Christmas celebration with again, like that. Celebration.
No.
Members are not coming.
Participation is needed. Those who participate really enjoy. Always note. जो चुपचाप से कोने में बैठे होते हैं ना, उन लोग एंजॉय नहीं करते. व्हेन यू पार्टिसिपेट ना, यू एंजॉय. अदरवाइज विदाउट दैट यू डोंट. और यादगार मेमोरीज हमारी पार्टिसिपेशन में ही होती है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. याद रहेगा, अरे हम लोग उस टाइम ऐसा किया था. विदाउट पार्टिसिपेशन हमारा मजा नहीं है उसमें.
उषा जी वेलकम, हैप्पी दिवाली.
अरे उषा जी आप कहाँ थी?
आज हम लोग अंताक्षरी खेल रहे थे. किधर थे आप?
आपको बहुत मिस किया.
आपको प्राइज मिलता था अगर आप जल्दी आती थी थोड़ा सा तो. Anyways, I'm ready with my score. Should I?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay, so second runners up is Kamal Jeswani with 7 points.
Wow.
And runners up is Kamal Mittal with 8 points.
Very
and
good.
And the winner, I guess you all know.
Deepa.
Yeah.
तो सब प्राइजेस लेगी दीपा. सब प्राइजेस लेगी.
नहीं मैं नहीं लूंगी.
ठीक है. Great. It is a good participation and I loved. तुम लोग को खिलाने में भी मजा आया. And I really must give you one comment. सब छुपे रुस्तम हो तुम लोग. सारे ढूंढ के गाने निकाले हैं. दादी और नानी के गाने निकाले हैं. आप लोग ने पता नहीं कौन सी डिक्शनरी से निकाले.
एक मीटिंग ऐसी करनी है जहाँ सब बैठ के मनीष को गाने सिखाएंगे. मनीष, you don't know songs.
No, I don't know.
Or we will gift you one radio. You have to listen to it every day, half an hour.
Yes, I have that caravan, but I don't know. I can't recollect. I like listening to old Hindi songs.
ये रुचि की बात है, ये रुचि की.
Great. Okay, so we can end our good wishes on that note.
ये
Thank
अपना
you.
कमल
And
जी
Deepa, you can take over from here. Thank you so much and God bless to all of you. आपकी दीपावली और दीपावली के बावजूद जितने भी दिन हैं शुभ रहें, खुश रहें, हेल्थ फ्री रहे और स्ट्रेस फ्री रहे. Thank you. Great.
So
Go ahead,
thank you so
Deepa.
much, Bindu ji, for hosting the show, making us play games. And yes, all those who participated, thank you so much. It's only because of the members that every meeting is a success. And yes, let's bring in the new year with lots of good wishes, joy, happiness. It was lovely meeting all of you. And I hope everybody has received the Diwali token that we have sent. So kindly just intimate us so we know that the parcel has reached you, though we are tracking it. And for the next month, 26 December, we are going to take a call whether we will have an online meeting or we may do an offline meeting, like a flamingo walk at the Bhandup place where Jigish Bhatt has suggested. So we will keep you posted for that. Pranav bhai, would you like to say something? You have not spoken.
Pranav is not here, no?
He's not there. He's left.
I think so.
Yeah, actually somebody has come and they, I think even Meron.
Yeah, Pranav has left.
Okay, okay. What about Manish? Would you like to say something?
Yeah. So great effort, Deepa and Bindu both. And actually, we all missed Diwali so much this time.
Yes.
But this was like, you know, a great effort in giving us a small Diwali feeling. And I really enjoyed it, although I was quite poor in participation, but I really enjoyed it, absolutely. It was fun and a lot of people enjoyed. I guess everybody enjoyed and a lot of fun and laughter. And Bindu is, you know, she's hatke, like, you know, these games you don't get to see.
Yes, when Manish told me that Bindu made us play wonderful games last Diwali, I said, no, then this Diwali, let's not have a regular meeting. Let's have a meeting with fun and games. So whatever we enjoyed, see, this is what life
Yeah, it was fun.
This is what life is, that you make the most out of what you have rather than, you know, wanting 10 things. And as always, big thank you to Kamal Jeswani.
Yes.
He's thinking cap of the club.
Mm.
You know, anything happens, I just call him up and he's like, okay, done. He speaks very less. He's a shy guy, but his work speaks a lot. And
Kamal, are you a shy guy?
Not at all.
At least what I know, he's shy. Then he has to yet talks lots.
Yeah, I guess, you know, girls would have a lot of, I mean, with his looks and his charms, girls will naturally get attracted to him, and with his shyness, I think it's an added bonus.
And he runs this magic on Facebook, which you must watch. It is amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so
okay.
We can end the meeting now. Thank you so much. Have a lovely weekend, all of you.
Thank you.
And again, happy Diwali, Sal Mubarak, and good wishes to each of us. May we all prosper in all ways.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Wait, your prizes are on the way. Your prizes are on the way. Few more surprises.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kamal, you may stop the recording.
Yes.